My name is Kelsey Baker. I'm the coordinator for coaching and mentoring at the Hub, our Center for Student Success on campus. Today I'm going to walk you through how to go through Portico to request services or support from the Hub or to make an appointment with your success coach or faculty advisor.
To access the Student Hub, you'll start on your Portico homepage. In the Campus Applications menu, you'll see a link called Student Hub. When you click the Student Hub link, you'll be navigated to a new window where you can schedule an appointment with your success coach or faculty advisor, or request assistance so that a member of the student success team will reach out to you. Some of the options that you have for requesting assistance are in this drop-down menu. They include an extended absence notification to let professors know that you might be out of class for a hospitalization or family emergency. Interest in student success coaching will prompt a student success coach to reach out to you. Interest in working with one of our peer mentors will alert that peer mentor to reach out to you. If you're having issues connecting with your advisor or have questions about your advisor assignment, you can select Issues with My Advisor. Other academic concern will capture any additional concerns that you have in the classroom or on campus. Struggling with my major will prompt a member of the student success team to reach out to you about the resources available at our Center for Calling and Career. And test taking or concentration struggles will prompt a success coach to talk with you about some of our strategies in those areas. Once you select the alert you'd like to send, you can add additional comments in the comment section here. When you click Submit, this will be sent to our student success team and someone will reach out to you within the week. To schedule an appointment with a success coach or an advisor, just click the green Schedule Appointment button in the upper right corner of your screen. Select the advisor or success coach that you'd like to meet with and click their name to view their availability. You can sort through different days and times by toggling in this area, and then you can select the 30-minute appointment that best suits your schedule. If there's anything specific you'd like to talk with your coach or advisor with, you can add that in the comment section. Click Book Appointment to finalize your appointment. The icons on the left side of your screen will show you your calendar, where all of your advising appointments will be noted. Messages, which will contain any communication you've received from an advisor or a success coach, and then your contacts, which will be your faculty advisor or your student success coach. To return to the main page, just click the Hub icon on the left side of your screen.